Neighborhood Garage Mike. So here we are in Marshfield. And if you remember, some time back I did a video on this old girl. Look, old Jamie Johnson rolling in. This old Peterbilt. She's a needle nose. She is cool. So I got out. Let's look at this old girl. Another local rig here in Marshfield. Marshfield's got all the cool stuff. She's an old twin stick. Killer dash. Breaker 19. CB there. Cool interior. Like to touch on the mirrors. She's all aluminum. Got a sleeper on it. 4-link. Like the suspension here in the back. Air ride. It's a 1-ton chassis actually. She's killer. Let's see if he'll fire it up. He sounds good. Oh yeah. She got a big old pump on her. Thanks for watching Neighborhood Garage. If you like this video, share it up. Oh, he's gonna drop her down for us. On the ground.